So here's the 5 days record of me sleeping with the Amazfit smartwatch Bip 5. This is on a Sunday I started. So it gives you your score for sleeping. I was at 68 and it gives you the steps to Monday, December 16. I was at 88 and it gives you as well how many steps you've had that day, and it tells you if you actually had a good sleep or not. And then here's Tuesday. So basically just showing you what shows up in your app, your Zepp app, when you're using the Bip 5 smartwatch Amazfit. And that's Wednesday. And again, it tells you like if you need to do naps or if you had enough sleep. And then that was Thursday. So it's gonna give you daily sleep insight. So if you're interested in this particular smartwatch, it's not very pricey. It's affordable. I had purchased it at Target. I mean, it's good to wear for sleeping and all. It only gives you limited information. You have to subscribe. That's what it is. And I'm just showing you the device on the app. You can change faces as well. But yeah, in order for you to be able to do what I'm doing, you do have to subscribe. And I'm in the 7-day trial right now.